Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? Can I call you Rose? Cause your fragrance takes over the room.
Hello!
In this video, we will explore and tell you about one of the legendary artifact destinations that can be visited in Palembang, the Balaputra Dewa Museum.
Balaputra Dewa is the name of the king of the Sriwijaya kingdom who made the kingdom reach its heyday. So, this is the provincial museum that collects various kinds of historical relics in the land of Sriwijaya. The Balaputra Dewa Museum contains the historical relics from the province of South Sumatra, which was built by the Culture and Tourism Office to maintain its sustainability. This museum is located on Jalan Sriwijaya 1, number 28, Palembang. The museum, which has an area of about 23,000 of 565 meters, and also has 10 types of collections with a total collection of 3,882 collections.
Getting to the Balaputra Dewa Museum only takes 16 minutes from the city center and 32 minutes from the airport using the public transportations. Visitors who come to this museum will be greeted with carved carvings typical of Palembang city, filled with sunflower ornaments that mean life and jasmine which symbolize purity.
Before we go to any further, there are some rules in this museum, guys. The first is no touching the collections, no running around, no eating and drinking inside the exhibitions building, and keeping your distance when looking at the outfit.
Exhibition Hall 1. Visitors will be greeted with a collection of endangered species such as birds of paradise and Sumatra tigers. Additionally, this exhibition space also showcases mammoth bone fossils, shells, and other artifacts.
For the next, we will explore the other room. In this exhibition hall 2, visitors will find a special collection showcasing relics from the Malacca Kingdom, including the traditional weapons, clothing, and photographs of Malacca Kingdom buildings.
In Exhibition Hall 3, there are 3 different exhibition spaces. Upon entering the first room, visitors will encounter prehistoric artifacts such as elephant stones and statues. In the second room, there is an exhibition of ships. Meanwhile, in the final room, visitors will see items related to Dutch colonial officials and freedom fighters such as clothing and grammar
Buildings.
In Exhibition Hall 3, there are 3 different exhibition spaces. Upon entering the first room, visitors will encounter prehistoric artifacts such as elephant stones and statues. In the second room, there is an exhibition of ships. Meanwhile, in the final room, visitors will see items related to Dutch colonial officials and freedom fighters such as clothing and gramophones.
The last room is the Halu Balang room. This space is a special room that houses various types of songket fabrics, weaving tools, and household utensils from the colonial era. There is one collection of Balaputra Dewa Museum that is very iconic and excellent, namely the Limas House, which is located on the backside of the museum. Rumah Limas is a traditional South Sumatra house. This Limas house can be found in the backyard of the museum. This is the Limas house, whose image is listed on the 10,000 rupiahs banknote, which was printed by Bank Indonesia in the 2004 emission year, and until now, the money is still valid. No wonder many visitors to the Gala Dewa Museum always take the time to take the selfies with this Limas house background.
For those of you who want to visit here, Balaputra Dewa Museum is open every day except Monday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with relatively affordable ticket prices. Only by paying 5,000 rupiahs can already enjoy the rich history stored in this museum. From the low ticket price, it is hoped that people will be fond of visiting this museum and revitalize the importance of culture history for the development of culture society.
It's the end of today's video. See you on the next journey. Bye, love!
Kenapa pakai jeans?
Ganti celana kek.